Research, in most aspects, is a long-term commitment, a series of answering questions over time to try to make something better or to answer some big unknown. But a lot of aspects of research can actually lead to short-term victories, answers that come sooner rather than later. So the Dairy Innovation Hub is focused on balancing just that. Long-term vision, things that require faculty hires and long-term investments, with short-term victories, questions we can answer right now with the expertise we have by dedicating some of the Dairy Innovation Hub funding towards those questions. As many of you might remember, the Dairy Innovation Hub was a recommendation from the Wisconsin Dairy Task Force 2.0, when they made their final report about a year ago. But that report also contained a lot of other recommendations. And some of those recommendations were policy changes or other things that we can't address at the university. But some of them were actually pressing questions that could be answered if we dedicated some great, brilliant minds to it. So at UW-Madison, we came up with the call for short-term, high-impact projects. The objectives of these projects are that they would yield results, tangible outcomes in the short term, 1 to 2 years, by leveraging existing UW-Madison expertise and personnel to address a question that was either raised by the Dairy Task Force 2.0 or to address an emerging question. And those questions fall within the 4 main priority areas of the Dairy Innovation Hub's focus: farm business and community, enriching human health, enhancing animal health and welfare, and land and water resources stewardship. We've been fortunate to have a lot of great projects submitted to this call, and we selected 7 projects for funding. Stay tuned to hear about these projects and how the short-term victories from these will have huge impact on the state of Wisconsin's dairy community.